3DX-Ray has been established for 15 years now. We've always operated in the industrial and the security fields, but what we've prided ourselves on is producing very innovative X-ray technology solutions for the security market. So we produce a whole range of X-ray security equipment, from mobile handheld equipment to vehicle scanning equipment.
The SVXI is a small vehicle X-ray inspection system. It's a vehicle scanning technology, a trailer with a boom which has an X-ray generator on the end that can move past a stationary vehicle and capture an X-ray image one line at a time. Presenting that image to an operator who's a safe distance away, letting them see whether there's any threats, guns or bombs or what have you, concealed in the vehicle. Used at checkpoints around the world, really. The initial units for SVXI were wired. That is, the operator would unroll a long cable, about 30 meters or so, take that over to their laptop and plug it in. The trailer then moved, dragging this cable across the floor. It was a trip hazard. It was easy to fall over or to drive over. The cable itself wasn't actually that reliable either. The connectors had wear and tear. So we had another order coming, and the new customer requested that we move to a wireless technology. We did some research, found Adey Electronics, and got in touch.
3DX-Ray were looking for a solution that was able to give them a wireless control over their 3DX-Ray machine. We were able to put in a system that gave them the ability to control the vehicle from a distance that they required in a safe manner, using a wireless system that we set up, configured and specified particularly for that project.
We moved to a completely wireless setup, so all the data systems Adey were involved with, right from inception, design through to implementation.
Yeah, so at Adey Electronics we provide a service where we incorporate the whole project. We don't just provide components for machine-to-machine connectivity. We will actually get involved with the engineering side of things, and for certain customers that require our services more than others, we will do design work down to the point of actually installation and commission of software, pretty much the whole spectrum.
Yeah, indeed, based on our experience on this project, the ability to make our products wireless and very portable, our experience with Adey has been very good, and I've got every confidence that our experience to date with the current project would be able to be rolled out in future projects or products that we introduce in the market. So in terms of the training that we've been given, the support on the technical aspects, the technology that we're using, advice about the right technology to use over the distances we're using it, the security of the transmission of data, and also the support that we'll get in terms of not just support whilst we're going through commissioning phases or building phases, but also once the equipment is in the field. Our experience today has been very good, and the backup we've got has been very competent and very quick in terms of if we ask a question, we always get an immediate response.
Adey have been very helpful and very proactive in their support of our products. They offered training both before we installed the systems and during commissioning of these units. They came on site to a Frigidaire hangar in mid-December, wearing coats and the like, offered the support, stayed all day and got the system working for us. It's that sort of level of support that gives us confidence that as we introduce new systems, they'll continue to support us. We've got a remote system coming up where we're going to be able to remotely dial in to our SVXI systems wherever they are in the world. We've recently been commissioning those units and getting that remote dial-in configured. They got the job done, and we wouldn't have done it without them.
With respect to the vehicle screening systems, the predominant place where we sell this equipment usually is the Middle East or the Far East. Now obviously they're in different time zones to where we are at the moment, and the equipment is usually operated on a 24/7 basis, and we're not sure when it's going to be operated, where it's operated. So if we do have an issue with it, whether it's a fault with our equipment or somebody wants some advice about adapting the equipment or using the equipment, we need to have 24 24-hour access to that equipment. And one of the best things we can offer is a 3G open system that we can hook in, dial into remotely from here in the UK, check that the system's operation, maybe adjust some settings or parameters that they might want for a particular application or for a particular location. So with the benefit of the Adey technology, we can now hook into our equipment remotely, offer a 24/7 support characteristic, which we do across a whole range of our equipment. But this just makes that whole process a lot easier for us, and it's very seamless. We don't have to wait for somebody from the other side to say, can you hook in or can you call us back? We can look directly at the equipment, see how it's performing, make adjustments or give them advice.